Taking a vacation from weight training is sometimes inevitable. Life throws curveballs, leading to disturbances in our workout regimens. A typical fear after a break is losing hard-gained muscular mass. This is known as muscular atrophy. But don't panic, this procedure is reversible. This post covers how to successfully rebuild lost muscle mass. We go into the science of muscle atrophy, the significance of diet, exercise, and rest. A straightforward, easy-to-follow training routine and encouraging suggestions are offered. Muscle atrophy is the body's normal reaction to diminished physical activity. When we don't utilize our muscles consistently, they begin to weaken and shrink. This process is a survival strategy, enabling the body to save energy by lowering the upkeep of useless tissues. When you cease pushing your muscles, they get less impulses to develop and maintain their size. Regular exercise transmits crucial messages to muscle cells, encouraging them to mend and become stronger. Without these signals, the muscles start to break down. As a consequence, muscle protein synthesis, the process of developing muscle, reduces. This process is vital for muscle development and repair, and it depends on a balance of protein intake and physical activity concurrently. Muscle protein breakdown increases. Bell creases. This indicates that the body is breaking down muscle proteins quicker than it can produce them, resulting to a net loss of muscle mass. This imbalance leads to a loss in muscle fiber size, creating a visible drop in muscle mass. Over time, this might result in considerable muscular weakening and a decline in overall physical performance. Several causes lead to muscular atrophy. These include diminished physical activity, poor protein consumption, hormonal changes, and aging. A sedentary lifestyle may hasten muscle loss, while a poor diet deficient in critical nutrients might further worsen the condition. Understanding these aspects helps us personalize our approach to muscle healing. By understanding the core causes of muscle atrophy, we can devise tailored measures to counteract it. This can entail building a balanced workout plan and ensuring enough protein consumption and correcting any hormone abnormalities. We may concentrate on correcting the effects of atrophy and encouraging muscle development with the appropriate mix of exercise, diet, and lifestyle modifications. It's feasible to repair lost muscle and recover strength. Consistency and perseverance are crucial to combating muscle atrophy and establishing long-term muscular health. Nutrition has a significant part in restoring lost muscle mass. It's not just about eating more, but eating well. The quality of the food you eat might dramatically affect your recuperation process. A carefully balanced diet ensures that your body obtains all the key nutrients it needs to repair and develop muscle tissue efficiently. When you continually eat less calories than your body requires, you enter a catabolic condition. This means your body begins to break down its own tissues, including muscle, to fulfill its energy needs. Skipping meals or not eating enough may contribute to this negative condition, making it difficult for you to attain your fitness objectives. In this stage, your body tears down muscular tissue for energy, inhibiting muscle development. This not only impacts your physical performance but also your entire health. You may feel more weary, have a harder time recuperating from exercises, and perhaps suffer a reduction in strength and endurance. To overcome this, you need to eat a calorie excess. This doesn't imply eating everything and everything in sight, but rather concentrating on nutrient-rich foods that offer the correct mix of macronutrients. A carefully planned diet may help you obtain a calorie surplus without sacrificing your health. This involves consuming more calories than you burn, providing your body with the required energy to develop muscle. Keeping track of your calorie consumption might be advantageous. Using a food diary or a calorie monitoring software may help you keep on top of your nutritional demands and ensure you're eating enough to promote muscular development. Through macronutrients, notably protein, carbs, and lipids, are the building blocks of our diet. Each macronutrient serves a distinct function in muscle repair and general health. Understanding how to balance these nutrients may make a major impact in your healing process. Each serves a critical function in muscle rehabilitation. Protein helps repair and grow muscular tissues. Carbohydrates replenish energy reserves, while lipids assist different biological activities, including hormone synthesis. A balanced intake of these macronutrients guarantees that your body has all it needs to recuperate and get stronger. Protein offers the amino acids essential for muscle repair and development. Including a range of protein sources in your diet, such as chicken, eggs, beans, and legumes, will help you satisfy your protein demands. Post-exercise protein drinks may also be a practical method to improve your protein consumption. Carbohydrates restore glycogen reserves, which power your exercises. Foods like pasta, rice, and other carbohydrate-heavy alternatives are vital for maintaining your energy levels. A carbohydrate-heavy snack before your exercise will help you perform better and recover quicker. Healthy fats boost hormone synthesis, necessary for muscular building. Incorporating sources of healthy fats, such as avocados, almonds, and olive oil into your diet will help maintain hormonal balance and promote general health. These fats also give a concentrated supply of energy, which is crucial for rigorous exercise sessions. Protein is crucial when striving to rebuild lost muscle mass. It offers the building blocks, amino acids essential for muscle repair and development. Aim for a daily protein intake of 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, lentils, and tofu. Distribute your protein intake equally throughout the day to enhance muscle protein synthesis. Essential supplements for muscle recovery. While a healthy diet is vital, some supplements may promote muscle rehabilitation. Creatine, a naturally occurring chemical in the body, improves energy generation during high-intensity exercise, leading to greater strength and muscular development. Whey protein, a fast-digesting protein source, provides a rapid influx of amino acids to muscles, promoting muscle protein synthesis. Consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before incorporating supplements into your diet. Exercise basics: stimulating muscle growth exercise. Specifically, resistance training is crucial for regaining lost muscle mass. Resistance training includes utilizing weights, resistance bands, or your own weight to push your muscles. When you lift weights, you generate small. Your body reacts by healing these tears, making the muscle fibers bigger and stronger. Focus on complex workouts that engage numerous muscular groups simultaneously. Examples include squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. These workouts are incredibly helpful for increasing muscle development and enhancing overall strength. Designing your fitness program. When establishing your exercise regimen, aim for 3 to 4 sessions per week, allowing for enough recovery between sessions. Start with a weight that enables you to accomplish 8 to 12 repetitions with proper technique. As you gain stronger, gradually increase the weight or resistance. Listen to your body and modify the intensity and volume of your exercises as required. Avoid overtraining, which may impair muscle recovery. Progressive overload is the progressive increase of tension exerted on your muscles throughout training. This is crucial for continued muscular development. As your muscles adapt to a certain task, you need to push them farther to maintain them developing. Increase the weight, repetitions, or sets progressively over time. You may also minimize rest periods or integrate more difficult workouts. The idea is to continuously test your muscles beyond their comfort zone. Rest and recuperation are as vital as exercise and diet for muscle repair. When you work out, you're not truly growing muscle, you're tearing it down. Muscle development happens during the healing phase when your body repairs and rebuilds muscle fibers. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of decent sleep each night. Adequate sleep improves muscle healing, hormone control, and general wellness. Incorporate rest days into your training regimen to enable your muscles time to recover and renew. Here's a typical training regimen for muscle recovery, suitable for beginners. This plan is intended to help you increase strength and muscle mass efficiently while ensuring that you retain good form and technique throughout your workouts. Barbell bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, making it an essential movement for upper body strength. Ensure you have a spotter if you're lifting big to prevent any mishaps. Dumbbell rows, 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Dumbbell rows are good for exercising your back muscles, especially the lats and rhomboids. Keep your back straight and bring the weight towards your hip to enhance the contraction. Overhead press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. This exercise is ideal for increasing shoulder strength and stability. Make careful to push the weight above in a controlled way and avoid arching your back. Dumbbell bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Bicep curls are vital for arm growth. Focus on clenching your biceps at the apex of the action and decreasing the weight gently to promote muscular activation. Dumbbell triceps extensions, 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. This exercise targets the triceps, the muscles on the rear of your upper arm. Keep your elbows close to your head and extend your arms completely to feel the stretch. Barbell squats, 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Squats are a strong workout for your lower body, activating your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Maintain a straight back and go as low as your flexibility permits. Romanian deadlifts, 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. This workout focuses on your hamstrings and glutes. Keep a tiny bend in your knees and flex at the hips to drop the barbell, experiencing a stretch in your hamstrings. Leg press, 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. The leg press machine enables you to target your quadriceps and glute with precise motions. Adjust the seat and foot positioning to guarantee good form and reduce knee discomfort. Hamstring curls, 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Hamstring curls isolate the muscles at the back of your thighs. Perform this exercise carefully to enhance muscular tension and minimize damage. Calf lifts, 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Calf raises are vital for increasing lower leg strength. Stand on an elevated platform and lift your heels as high as possible, then bring them back down carefully. This is an example plan, so alter it depending on your fitness level and objectives. If you're new to these workouts, start with lesser weights and gradually increase as you get more comfortable and stronger. Be careful to warm up before each exercise and cool down afterward. Warming up prepares your muscles and joints for the activity, minimizing the chance of damage. Cooling down helps to gradually reduce your heart rate and stretch your muscles, assisting in recuperation. Proper form is vital to avoid injuries. Always concentrate on your techniques, and don't hesitate to seek for help from a fitness expert if you're uncertain about any workout. Remember, perseverance and patience are crucial to seeing results. Recovering lost muscle mass requires time and work. Stay consistent with your eating, exercise, and rest. Set reasonable objectives, measure your progress, and celebrate your victories along the way. Find a workout companion or join a fitness group for support and accountability. Remember that setbacks are a typical part of the process. Don't become disheartened. Learn from them and keep going ahead with passion and determination. You may restore your lost muscle mass and reach your fitness objectives. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.